Okay, hey there. So, well, for the Tsuur, the main idea with the tongue is that you put the tip of the tongue against the lower teeth, and then you let the tongue kind of like push toward like the front, and like that will help you direct the sound. So basically you want the air to go from the throat and kind of go on the top of the mouth, and then it will go down to the flute. So if you do it like without the instrument, that's gonna be like that. So if you put your hand below, kind of like that, the hair is kind of like going like this, not like that. So what you want is to orient the air like that. And so that's like about the tongue and so on. And then the instrument, usually we want to have the Tsuur here, and then you will wrap the lips around the instrument kind of to lock. So it's kind of like this. So like that. So here there is no hair leak. All the air is gonna go here, and then you can blow. And you don't want to have the instrument too much on the side, otherwise it's gonna be complicated to make it sound. Like you can even put it on the tongue. So basically the Tsuur is usually almost like a straight. So well, I hope it helps.